He keeps asking, session ChatGPT, why she left him that way. Oh, no, no, no. Left him in that tinking trailer, smoking ass water for bongs. He said she was the one, but bro, do the math. If she was your soulmate, why she sprinted so fast? Oh, I ain't thought she was this kitty cat, but she never wanted that. Ever since, now he wants a broke, sad and poor. Ooh, I ain't done thought. Now he really done goof. Cat leveled up, meanwhile he stayed the same. Or maybe worse, still playing victim, still pointing blame. She out here thriving, glowing. He's out here spiraling, looking distressed. He finally wants to change. Funny how they came right after she dipped and forgot his name. Oh, I ain't thought she was this kitty cat, but she never wanted that. Ever since, now he wants a broke, sad and poor. Ooh, I ain't done thought. He really done goofed. Now he's stuck, almost 40 years old, taking night classes to pay the bills, working double shifts at the TJ Maxx, securing the empty parking lot, while his little old kitty cat is driving around town in her luxury carriage with a bed.